Hello, and welcome to Straight to Coding. If you've ever felt like learning programming, or even if you're already a programmer, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will know all the benefits of learning how to code. Technology is used in all industries today. It has become an essential tool for businesses to increase productivity and reduce costs. In finance, firms develop apps and services for their clients, such as mobile transfer apps and online banking. In healthcare companies create apps and services for their patients to monitor and track their health. In education, e-learning platforms, online homework and games are created for students and their parents to use 24/7. Technology is used in other industries like food, religion, and gaming, and these institutions are using these already existing programming languages that we all know: the Java, C Sharp, HTML, JavaScript, Python, and the rest. And they are paying big money for programmers. In the UK alone, a junior developer can make over £30,000, and a senior can make over £80,000. And in the US, a junior developer can make over $45,000, and a senior can make over $100,000. Even the rest of the world is not far behind. A junior can make $25,000, and a senior can make over $60,000. And you can work from anywhere in the world. Even at your own home, you can be working. And there is lots of support available online to help you when you're developing any apps or applications or services. There are online articles and Stack Overflow question and answers and YouTube videos that will support you and help you whilst you're developing. And the good news is you can even create employment for yourself, or you can join like-minded people to start up a company, or you can create apps that you feel like you need personally as well. And there are various fields in software development. Front-end development is the creation of websites and the apps that we use daily, and they are usually created using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Backend service is the service behind the websites and apps. They power the front-end apps. Developers work with programming languages like C Sharp, Java, and PHP. Database engineers maintain a database system that stores and retrieves data. Some of these databases are Oracle, SQL Server, and MongoDB. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world because of its practicality. The career of a software developer begins with a junior developer, someone who is relatively new to software development and has limited experience in the field. A mid-level developer is someone who has few years of experience, and a senior developer is someone who is highly experienced and have spent many years in software development. So, the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Follow this channel for more videos like this.